first of all, there are many passages in the Bible about who the God is we worship. He is holy, He is merciful, He is eternal. This is the doctrine of God. And we must know that doctrine and know the exclusive channel that we have to communicate on. You know, we live in a pluralistic society, and I'm all for everybody having freedom to worship whatever God they want. But if they ask, we must clearly say and not flub around and try and, cover up. Like, remember Ken Ham showed that little clip of the wonderful godly Christian that they pointed the camera at him 2 Sundays ago, and it was on the screen. And they asked the guy if they believed in the God of the Bible that created everything directly from nothing in 6 days. And he went, well, there's a lot of, we don't want to kind of be And we have to, living in a pluralistic society, we have to say yes. It is fine to have a Mormon president if we ever get one, just like a former Muslim president we have now. But Mormons don't go to heaven, period. They worship the wrong God, they have the wrong Jesus Christ, and they have a works-oriented pathway. They are not born-again servants of the living God. And if they ask, you have to say, now, you can go to any church you want, but there's only one way to God. There's only one name. There's only one representation of the infinite God, and it's Jesus Christ. And that's what is the reason that we're going to be excluded soon. I was thinking about that. I went to Speedway, and I poked in my credit card, and it went, I looked at it, so I turned around, it's rejected. So I got on the phone, I said, what are you doing to me, Citibank? And they said, did you just buy all this stuff we saw here in Spain? Are you on vacation in Barcelona? I said, no, I'm not in Barcelona, I'm in Lawton. And they said, Lawton, Spain? I said, no. And they said, then somebody has your card, and that's why it won't work at Speedway. And I thought, that's really fun, but what's going to happen when we don't have the little pictures of George Washington anymore, and we only have that? Whoever controls the card will control everything. Food, gas, water. And that's what the Bible says we're headed toward. And the people that say what I just said, that there's only one name under heaven given among men whereby you must be saved, their card's going to be turned off because they aren't with the program. They are not following the Antichrist. So be careful what you say because it'll come back to you. That's why I'm glad that we're going to be out of here before he starts executing all the people, but it's going to be bad before he starts all that.